Okay, thank you. Okay, great.
Still professional.
Bye-bye.
Phone call. Oh, I'm shaking.
This is gonna be so fun.
I can't get them both in.
Hi, Mom.
I think she was surprised.
Make a mess of these.
No injuries. No injuries.
Oh, goodness. What a wonderful afternoon.
Surprise!
Surprise, Mom.
Nathan's home.
Yeah, I called Brad this morning. I was like, hey, Brad, my brother's coming home.
Yeah, I didn't recognize that number. I didn't recognize the voice. I was like, who is this?
Who is this? What's going on?
So the meeting was just a ploy.
He was just babbling for no
He
reason.
wasn't. He probably wasn't listening.
He was
to
pretty
anything
good
you were
at it.
saying.
That was a long time in there.
Oh, wow.
That was a very big surprise. Thank you.
I figured you'd enjoy it.
And I even talked to you on the email yesterday.
Sneaky.
Sneaky kid.
Yeah, well, my flight was timed, so I left in the morning, but it was night here, so it worked out.
So he didn't have to talk to you tonight.
You wanted just the perfect timing.
Oh, that was good. Thank y'all for letting us be a part of
That's
it.
Yes,
awesome.
thank you.
This is wonderful, man.
Well, you guys go somewhere and sit down
Yeah.
and call.
Or go home.
Or just love on each other. Yeah, get out of here.